आऊज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I welcome to all from Dar-e-Arqam school system. First of all, recite dua Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. Dear students, today we are going to start our maths lesson of class 3. For this purpose, you have to open your countdown book, page number 22. On page number 22, here is the topic skip counting of 4-digit numbers. Look at the number line. Here is the number line. Bunny jumps. Bunny is a rabbit and he jumps from 3602 to 3604 to 3606. Bunny is jumping in twos. As you see that Bunny is jumping and skip two numbers, like he start jumping from 3602, then he skip two numbers and then he jump on 3604. Then again he jump and he skip two numbers, then he jumped at 3606. We call this skip counting. Now do the practice. As question number 1 is, do skip counting in twos and write the numbers. So you have to do the question number 1 part A, 2500 to 2510. Means you have to write the numbers from 2500 to 2510. You have to start. You write first number 2500, then you have to skip two numbers and you have to write here 2502. Again you have to skip two numbers and you have to write 2504 until you have to write the numbers till 2510. Similarly, you have to do these questions and do the skip counting in twos. Clear? Now question number 2. Here Bunny is skip counting in threes. Now Bunny is skip counting in threes. Like if he start jumping from 1523, then he jump in threes, skip 3 number and jump at the number 1526. Then again he jump and skip 3 numbers and he jumped at 1529. So you have to do the practice of skip counting in threes in these questions and write the missing numbers. Like first question is 6221, then 6224, then 6227. As you see that here is the difference of 3 numbers. Like first you write 21, then you write 24, then you write 27, 6227, then you have to write 6230. Then here is the missing number. You have to do the skip counting in threes and you have to write here 6233. And again you have to skip the 3 numbers and you have to write here 6236. And then in the last you have to write, again you have to do the skip 3 numbers and you have to write 6239. Similarly, you have to do these all questions. Students, it is very easy, and if you want to understand this concept more easily, you here is a trick. Here is a trick for this for these all the questions. Like if you want to do the skip counting in twos, you have to add 2 in all the numbers. Like first number you have to write here 2500, then you have to add 2 in this value. When you add 2 in this value, you have get the next number 2502. Again you have to add 2 in this value, then you have to get the next number and the next number is 2504. Similarly, when you want to skip counting in threes, you have to add 3 in these numbers. This is the trick to doing these questions easily. I hope You have to understand the concept of skip counting of 4-digit numbers, and you have to do the practice of these questions on your notebooks also. Inshallah, in our next class, inshallah, we have to learn about the skip counting in 4s and skip counting in 5 also. Stay blessed, stay at your homes. Allah Hafiz, fi amanillah.